Are you Lisa, madam's sister? What are you doing this time?
I
Ma'am, I have
came
to
to
go
see.
very far. Please come soon.
There is someone inside, no? In the name of Anand. I don't have cash with
How
me.
much?
40 rupees.
Take it.
Okay, madam. Thank you. I'm leaving.
Why did you come alone?
Uh, uh, the studio owner is there.
Who?
Everyone calls him Anand. Um,
Sarah's gone to Bangalore. You're 2 days holiday here.
Guruji, he's there.
He has also left. Sir's house is nearby.
Will he be there?
I don't know that. Please don't mistake me. It's going to rain. It's a wrong time.
Is his house really far from here?
A corner of this street there is a STD booth. If you ask them, they will tell you. Who's that? Oh. Sorry.
I put my clothes for drying. There are no clothes fit for ladies here.
For that, there is no women here. Because of that, there is no women dress here. I never wear any feminine dress with me. And your presence here is an accident, right? For time being, on wardrobe, Bermudas and shirt is available. Maybe you can take one. Uh, it won't be suitable for you, but still adjust it for today.
Hey, you gave me your notes and just simply coming behind me like that. Why are you here?
I'm not here for you. I'm here for pick your granny.
Hey, hold your tongue. Otherwise, I'll just finish you.
Oh my god. Now I understand how she is doing all this thing.
Hey, why did you come? His mother asked the cock. That's why he came. Who asked you to sell it to her? I'm not selling you Rajamanikyam. You go.
So give me my rent. I'll give you 100.
Rent?
Huh?
Why do you need Rajamanikyam?
My dog gets bored, so I have to go somewhere. That's the reason.
Will you feed my Rajamanikyam properly?
I'll do my level best.
Okay, you wait here. I'll get him and come.
Hey little one, what's your name?
Don't say me little. Then it will not be good for
Huh?
you. Take
Oh my god. You're talking like an adult rowdy.
If something happens to my Raja, I will kill you. You wait and see.
I'll make it chicken 65, baby.
What?
It's so good as much as you.
Shut up and go from here. Else I'll throw a stone at you.
This is not a family. It's a rowdy family.
What?
I'm not talking to you.
Okay
Bye,
then.
girl. Granny.
Okay, dear.
This is so good. Hey. If you want other one, go and get it.
Decently, man.
See how stupid
As
he is.
if you're very decent.
Hey. What happened, Sundari? You looking so hot. Want ice cream? It'll make you cold.
So what's so special in you, huh? Don't think you can play with me. I'll give you one on the
Hey,
face.
why are you being rude all the time? Watch your tongue, or else I'll beat you
Then
up.
come hit me.
Sundari, this is not good. Don't make me angry.
What will you do if you get angry, huh? I want to see. Show me what you can do, huh? Come, show me your guts, huh? Come.
First, be like a girl.
You think you'll forgive everything you do?
What I did?
Don't act as if you don't know anything. What did you write in pages 55, 86 and 107 in your notebook,
Show
huh?
me what I did.
You think you're some big hero or what? You've written I love you, I love you, I love you in every page?
Hello. I gave my book to whole class as before as I gave you. Who knows who did that? If you're clear on what you're doing, why you're doing
I'm
this?
not that shameless, okay?
I'm not ready to talk to you. Go ahead.
If I don't go, what do you do?
Arun, what you all doing here?
A small mistake, madam.
Teacher, take good care of your son. Tell him not to act very smart with me.
What, Sundari? What he did?
Ask your son itself.
Arun, what is this?
Mom, I didn't do anything wrong.
First ask sorry to Sundari.
Mommy, please.
Arun, first get apology from her. Both of you shake your hands and come into the class. Otherwise, don't come, okay?
Hey bro, shake your hands and let's go. Hey dude, she's our classmate only. Say sorry and come.
Sorry.
Okay then.
Hey, come on, Sundari. Gardener may come.
What will he do if he comes? Stop getting this scared.
What the hell?
Hmm?
You'll become God when everyone is around you. You'll be a thief when everyone isn't. Very good.
Hey, why are you following me? You want a slap from me?
Don't you shame yourself? You climbing a tree. You don't have to do this.
Whatever I do, what is your problem? What's disturbing you? Why did you come?
I'm going to put the sulam back.
Hmm?
God's weapon.
That you take it to the temple.
You are my God.
Hey, what is your intention, huh? If you have anything in your mind, I'll tie you to this tree. Now go, get lost.
Hey, why are you scolding me all the time? Don't you talk nicely?
Oh, you are the prospective groom who's going to marry me, huh? That's why I should talk to you very nice. Just get lost.
Watch your tongue.
If I don't give you manners, what you'll do, huh? Tell me.
I'll do the same thing that you did now.
Then hit me. Come on, I want to see. Hit me.
Sundari, I'll get angry.
If you get angry, you'll slap me, huh? Just go from here.
If you do this again, I'll
Hey, leave it,
slap
man.
you.
Come touch me and see. I'll chop you into two now. Do you know whom you're playing with?
Get the hell out of here.
Hey, come
on.
man.
Go and be with your family, you stupid boy.
Oh my god, is this the way a female talks? Dude, there's no point. I don't think there's a way you walking behind her. Come, let's go.
Arun?
Hmm?
The exam was hard, right?
It was easy for me.
It's always easy for you. I didn't write it properly.
Don't worry, leave it. Without education, everyone becoming great. You'll be like them.
Where are you going for vacation?
My dad is building a house in the nearby village.
Is
We are
it?
going there. You?
I have never been to any other place. I'm like a frog in the well.
What if I said, I'll drop you at your home?
Even I really want to. But if someone sees, they'll say something.
Sundari will change a lot.
If we like someone, we should change, no? Okay then, don't get late. Take care of your health.
Take care of yourself too.
I'm leaving then. I heard you want the first rank.
What about you?
I got 0 in everything.
Leave it. Only education is not the future for you. You can do something else.
You won't forget me, no?
Even if I want to, I can't. The things that we make, that makes me laugh.
These days I don't fight with anyone. I'm even friends with my grandmom.
I have your Rajamanikyam. I'll give it to you back tomorrow.
Let it be with you itself. Keep it carefully. At least then you'll remember me, no?
By the way, I'm the one who writes I love you, which I gave you.
I know.
But I have to study, have to get a job.
Whenever you remember me, please come home.
Definitely I'll come. My dad number is 94444 87963. Call me when you're free.
Okay, I'm taking this pen as your remembrance.
Don't forget me to invite your marriage, okay?
Okay, I have to leave now.
Bye.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.
Go! Sure.
Yeah.
Don't feel shy. Go!
After getting married, girls tend to look more beautiful, right?
Don't cast your eye on your daughter-in-law.
This would have cost you a lot.
For both your happiness, I don't mind paying whatever the cost is. Have a great time.
Okay, Dad. Come on, Sundari.
Please give me your blessings, uncle.
God bless you, dear. You may have a long, successful, and happy married life.
Come on. Take care, Sundari.
Hey, dude. It's our personal gift. We can't give this gift in public. That's why.
Thanks.
Very young age, or got married early. Like usually what we say, make merry, have children, is not what we are going to say. Play safe and be happy is all what I have to say. So don't have children now, huh?
Okay, senior, I got it.
According to our budget, we cannot give more than this. When it gets over, you can buy. Or else you can wash this and try it up. And use it once again.
Okay. You can leave now.
Ah.
Cause I can manage by itself.
Okay, guys, push the boat. Okay, enjoy.
I can go tomorrow. Cause I wanna be with you today.
I was born only for you. You can do anything anytime you want. But your studies should not be affected. You should become a teacher very soon. And I want to tell everybody that I'm a teacher's wife. Now go, my dear. You should come home even if it's a day's leave. We'll have fun.
Dad, I'm going to institute.
Have a safe journey, son. Haven't you taken all your necessary documents?
Yes, Dad. By the way, Sundari.
You don't just worry about her. I'll take care of her. You go and study well.
Okay, Dad.
Have the food at the right time. Take good rest. Call your wife and talk to her daily.
Okay, Dad. I'm leaving now.
Happy journey, son.
Okay, Dad.
Why did you dig such a big hole?
All the rainwater is getting drained into the sea. I just want to get them collected here so that we can use it for the trees here.
Where do you get such ideas from?
This is not my discovery. The farmers in Assam do the same way as I'm doing right now. We are only learning from them.
My dear uncle, you haven't eaten anything since morning. Here, drink this at least.
Give it here, dear. Be careful, dear. You should be a little cautious. Wait, dear, I'll help you. Try going up.
I can't go up.
Give me a hand.
Uncle, you okay, no?
Not really.
I'll bring some food and come.
Sundari? Sundari?
What happened, uncle?
Feeling very thirsty.
Water fell down? Please wait, I'll bring now. Here, uncle. Do you want anything else?
It's raining very heavily outside.
Please sleep inside. Shall I spread a mattress?
No, no, no. It's okay. I'll sleep outside.
Why is he so drunk?
Uncle, stop. We'll do fishing here.
Hey, look here.
The waves are becoming violent. Let's go back.
We'll catch some more fish and then go, uncle. I got a big shark, uncle. Ah! 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 Help! Ah! Ah! Help! Help!
Sundari, Sundari, open your eyes. Sundari, look here. Sundari. Sundari. Sundari.
Sundari. Sundari.
What?
You swallowed too much of water. That's why.
Oh.
Then what do you want me to do? No father would ever do such a big wrong as I've done to my son. Now I don't have any right to live. I got to die. You move. I should die.
If that's the case, even I did a mistake. I'll die first.
No, you are a small girl. You are innocent. Your life has been destroyed by me. I should deserve to die. You move. I should die.
If you die, your son will ask me what happened. He'll definitely know the truth. I'll commit suicide. Or you just kill me.
Oh God.
We'll both commit suicide in that sea itself. Come!
My son will become an orphan. Who else is there for him in this level? We'll go and tell the truth to him. If he's punishing, let him. If he's forgiving us, let him do
no,
that.
don't do that. I can't even face him now. Please don't do it.
If I don't tell him, I'll surely die.
No, don't
Listen
do
to
it.
me first. Let him decide. We'll go to him.
Praise the Lord, oh jeez.
Father?
You are Mr. Victor from military department?
Yes, Father.
By the blessings of Jesus, I'm absolutely fine. Maida, you are my old student, right? What are you doing here?
This is Arun's wife.
Arun's wife? You mean to say he's got married? That's really a very surprising news. Both of you, please wait here. I will inform that boy and tell him to come immediately. I didn't think he's such a naughty boy.
I'm really getting scared. Please don't tell Arun now.
Just keep quiet now.
Why did you come here, Dad? You bring her too. Just leave the place.
I gotta tell you something important.
We'll talk later. Just leave and go.
What's it,
Oh,
Arun?
Dad, if anyone finds me that I'm married man, they will troll me. No one know that I'm a married man, Dad. So please go.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
What, sir? After a long back, you're here?
Getting old, right? Not a youth anymore, nah? Leave that aside. How is your life going on now?
I'm always happy. Okay, who is this?
This is my friend. He's from the military.
Yeah, he's looking very stout and strong. Whom do you like?
You yourself take him, sweetheart.
It will cost more than...
Is it so? Is this enough?
Okay, give it to him.
Now
Come
what are
on,
you
get
staring?
in.
Go in. She's all yours. She's a very known person of mine. You don't have to worry at all. Just be happy. Go. I'll be here having a couple of drinks.
Yeah, welcome. Some people likes on cot. Some people likes on floor. How about you? Didn't you see the ladies ever before? Staring like this? Come on. Come on. What? You have given money to stare like this, huh? Make it fast. I have lot of customers waiting there for me. Hey, where you going? Wait, I'll call someone else at least.
Hello? RRT Institute Hostel?
Can I speak with Arun from first year BA?
Please hold on. Arun, there's a phone for you.
Hello?
Arun?
Dad? How are you? How's Sundari?
I'm planning to send her to her mother's house, Arun.
Why, Dad?
I don't think it's right to keep her here. At the same time, you are in the hostel.
Dad, she feels so comfortable here. If she goes there, she gets in trouble. If she's not here, who makes you food?
never bred a chicken that had such a big leg.
This is Rajamanikim that you're eating.
Is it?
Mm.
But you loved Rajamanikam a lot, right?
More than him, I love you very much.
My first wife, Chandra itself, never loved me the way you love.
uh,
I should have been born after 16 years. Or you should have been born before 16 years. We could have had some real good fun, huh?
you're drinking a lot these days.
That's why I feel very happy nowadays. Now you also take a drink. You'll also feel happy.
No, ladies can't drink like that. It's not
Please
right.
try taking 1 or 2 sips. It's good
I'll
after
give
that.
you one now.
Try sniffing this for once. It's really awesome.
I feel like puking. I have no idea how you gulped down all this.
First it'll be bitter, then it'll turn real sweet. That is the real fun of this stuff.
Blech.
Didn't you like it?
This is the only one thing that I really hate about you.
Don't you like it?
Next time you drink this, don't come near me, okay?
Don't you really like it? Are you sure you don't like it?
Mhm.
Here, I pour it away. Henceforth, I won't take this bloody stuff. Just for you, I'll let it go. I'm sure you won't let me go.
Mhm. How do I look?
Too superb. Now just wear this and show me.
Mm. Don't look at me like that. Thanks.
Be careful, sweetheart. You're going to sprain your feet. Come, I'll carry you.
Hey, yeah. Go.
Just answer and see who's it.
This is some new number. I don't know. Talk and see, no? Mm.
Hello?
Hello, I'm Sundari's
Yeah,
mom.
tell me, Mom. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you? How is Sundari now?
She's really fine here. She's living like a queen here. Speak to her.
Who is it?
Your mom, speak.
Hello, Mom. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, dear. You're only sending money for us. But you forgot everyone. You didn't even come once at least to see us.
I'm the only girl here, no, Mom. If I come there, who will manage the house here?
You're speaking well, dear. Okay, how is my son-in-law? Is there anything special?
No, Mom. He's in college. We are planning for that a while later.
Okay, dear. You're just in my eyes. I'll try to come there as early as possible.
Okay, Mom. Inform me before you come.
Okay, dear. Take care.
Don't forget to call me.
Come on, let's go.
Where to?
To your home.
For what?
You have to go there for some time.
It was you who said that she would be comfortable here compared to her own house. Now what happened?
No, she have to go.
If I go home, who will take care of his food?
I don't prefer to send her to her house.
You know, she's my wife.
The entire marriage expense was borne by me. If you want, you may keep her. Rent a room near to your college and keep her there with you. Every month I shall send you money for that expense also.
You told me they teach married people in college.
You may go with him, dear. Go get ready, pack your dress and go with him.
No, uncle. Like what he said, I'm leaving to my home itself.
Go. Who stopped me from going anywhere? I'll wander and beg wherever I want to. Let all this property go to hell. Arun, I am your father. I'll only think and do good for you. Please believe me. Look here. Your wife is not a block of jaggery. Nobody is going to swallow her up. Don't try to read between the lines. Just concentrate on your studies. As for Sundari, she'll be very safe and secure here and you need not worry about her. Go, son. Go and do your studies well. Please do come home whenever you get leave and have a nice time with her. You'll miss the connection bus, so just start off now.
Don't worry about me. You please take care. The relationship which I have with my village is as divine as that with my mom. I love my father very much. He is a military man. My mother is a teacher. I lived with her for 17 years of my life. My mother is a great mom. One day a snake bit her and she died suddenly. I felt that even I might die that day. Soundarya is the one who took my mother's position in my life.
Soundari was 3 years elder than me. We always fight together. She's my classmate. I like her so much. And we became closer. That's love. We loved each other. Marrying the girl that you loved is gift. Soundari is my gift. Being with her is so great, and I'm grateful for it. We've been so happy, but I'm confused. Is she changed now? Is my dad ruining our relationship? I guess my dad and my wife are together. Is that good? Or it is my hallucination? The last 3 days that I have spent there, it's just like Mahakavi Bharati said. The things that I saw are behind the truth that I've saw. Is it right if I doubt my Soundari? Or else should I be like all other men? Everybody usually talks about positive and forward thinking. But how much of truth and fact is there? That nobody knows. My wife, the way she looks, her beautiful eyes, her body, there was genuinity in all of that. That's what I loved. And it is the same me who doubted her. No, my wife is so pure. She can never diss me. Never.
What did I?
I would love to. I wish I could spend my entire life with her. Next time, when I meet her, I shall tell her that I doubted her by mistake. My Soundarya is always good. She will definitely forgive me.
Arun!
33.
Bro, can I take measurement? You take it. I'll write it.
Little more. 33 and a half. Don't bend. 39. This is the next measurement.
Hey sir, it's not me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I took the measurement for the wrong person. Come, my dear child, come this side. Who's that?
What's your name?
Ganga.
Nice name.
I've seen you before.
Where?
In ads.
Shaji, Kumar, I'm starting now. Where are my costumes?
It's there.
What is your name?
Ganga.
Initially you'll say Ganga, later you'll become Nagavalli. Mom, I didn't say anything. Come, we'll go. Okay, bye. Hey, it's okay, come. New girls keep coming. If they get one proper ad, they shoot up like rocket. Somehow I want you to stay till the end. What do you want me to do for that, Mom? You want me to stand in front of camera naked? I didn't say you anything. I know about that Anand very well. Ad agency is not only with these people, lot others have. Lisa, you don't speak all this. My dear Mom, for this kind of work, beauty is only not enough. For models, luck is also important. I have that. Look here. This undergarment thing is not that bad. That is, it will make entire world dance for its tune, okay? If you take 4-5 photos, you know how much they're paying? 25,000. Now that mother and daughter are going to take that amount. Can we think little differently, Mom? What? Tell me what? These kind of products is not only used by youngsters like me, no? Ladies like you are also using, no? That's why you can also become one big model that everybody will like.
My dear, this is our studio's costume room. Most of the beautiful lady artists of this film industry have come here to change their costumes. And what type of costume that lady artist should wear as a customer, I will decide. And even now, I'm the person to decide.
Look here, mother. In the beginning, she'll be shy. Then she'll get used of it.
My dear child, just show your face. You should not feel shy in this industry at all. You know about this color? This color is very lucky color for you. After wearing this costume, you will reach greater heights in your life. After that, everything will be open in your life.
Mummy, what is this? How can I just wear these two pieces?
What are you talking? To advertise this innerwear, will anybody wear whole dress? Look here, sir. You please wait outside. I'll get her ready.
Okay, that you can do.
Don't worry too much. In Hindi and Tamil movies, how many ladies have worn this? Thousands of people watch that, right? Even you have seen that? Look here. God has created women so beautifully so that people can appreciate it.
Even then, Mom.
What that, Mom?
If these posters are displayed on the roadside, what will my future become?
If you start earning nicely, who will ask us to marry these glamorous ladies? How many businessmen are standing in queue, you know that?
All that is just a fantasy, Mom. How long will that relation last?
No. Not everybody who comes to court are cinema actors. It's just their fate. No other people are getting divorced or what? You wear this and come.
Come. You very slow, come. Oh, welcome. Please be seated. Now it will come. Within one more bell, the show will start right now.
Shit. The reason these days girls are getting spoiled are only because of these types of mothers, you know? See how she's removing her daughter's dress?
Give this to that girl to read.
Okay.
Here.
Keep it.
I'll come, sir.
All had a doubt whether your daughter will be able to do such kind of scene. Actually, I was the person who got such an amount for you. So you should give me some commission from
Sure,
that.
I'll give you a share. What happened, dear?
Is this the ad you told about me, Mom? Is this the future you promised me? How many more will come now?
Say, dear, please forgive me, dear.
Don't say a word. You don't talk to me again.
We should leave, right?